Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access your recorded videos for offline course students only. These videos are helpful if in case you have missed a topic or were unable to attend the lecture offline at the academy and want to recover whatever that you have missed by learning it through the online recorded videos. You can then note down the topics and doubts that you may still have after watching the videos and speak with the faculty at the academy. To access the recorded videos, you have to go to the website lawstoriesacademy.com and sign in with your account. Once you have logged in into your account, you will be redirected to the lawstoriesacademy.com homepage, through which then you will go to your dashboard. Once you reach your dashboard, then you will go into Live Classes tab. Once you reach the Live Classes tab, as you can see, that these are the modules respectively for your course. Depending on the course that you have enrolled in, some of the modules may be locked. If you have enrolled in the Music Prodigy course, then all the modules will be available to you from 1 all the way down to 11. If some of the modules are locked for you despite you being enrolled in it, you can reach out to the Law Stories Academy team. Now, once all the videos here are unlocked for you, you can access them by clicking the drop down option for each of the modules. For example, if I want to go into All About Ableton Live Advanced, I can click them and then you will see all the sessions available inside that module. As you can see here, from all the way till 13 till down to 24, all the 12 sessions for that particular module are available. Now, if you click any of the session, let's say I click Advanced MIDI Devices, but the moment I click it, you get two things. One, you can see on the right there is a full video. This full video is a 3-hour long video. As you can see, 2 to 3 hours long. This is basically the entire course video of that session, which is Advanced MIDI Devices, right? But let's say you do not wish to see the entire 2 hour and 6 minutes because it's a recording from one of the classes. You can then also choose to look at these lessons that are available underneath this main session, Advanced MIDI Devices. So these sessions are much smaller. So let's say I want to watch lesson number 58. These lessons are available in Hindi and English both, and if you listen to them, they are only small. They are 12 minutes long. So it's much smaller than you getting to watch a 2-hour long video, but it covers respectively the same amount of topics. Note that the 2 to 3 hour session videos are available only for the offline students and are not available to the people who have purchased the online recorded courses from the website. Similarly, if you want to watch the lessons for another session, then you can close this drop down from here and you can go to a different session. Let's say I want to go into EQ and filters. Then I can click EQ and filters. I will get the full video, which is again 2 hours and 7 minutes long. But if I feel like I don't want to watch the entire 2 hour and 7 minutes, I can then go to lesson number 79, which will be much smaller, and I want to watch it in English, then I can go to the English tab and I can watch this one. And as you can see, this is 7 minutes and 15 seconds long, so it's much smaller. Similarly, you have way more lessons available. So underneath the 17th session, you have the lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you can watch all of these 6 lessons and they will cover exactly what was taught exactly in those 3 hours as well. So totally depends on your decision what you like to watch. But now you know that this is how you access the modules, and within the modules, these are all the sessions, and within the sessions, you can either watch the full video or you have the option to watch the smaller lessons as well. If you are still facing any issues, you can contact the backend team at Law Stories Academy either via email on info@lawstoriesacademy.com, or you can message us on WhatsApp at 98992 05465.